Let me show you how to call from your Huawei Watch Fit 5 and also Fit 5 Pro. Also, I'll show you how to add contacts to your watch and also what incoming calls as well look like on this watch. So first, if you want to call someone, you simply press this button here and you see you have the call option pretty much straight on the top. So if you go over here, okay, so those are my contacts. But yeah, I see you have the keypad and also the call log here. If you go here in the keypad, so see you can dial the number here if you want to call someone. If you press this, as see basically it will try to call, but I do not have SIM card inside this phone, so I can't show you that well. But yeah, it actually calls, and when someone calls, you'll see this on your watch. For example, let me call myself on WhatsApp. So this also works for WhatsApp calls. So you see, I have incoming call here, and also I see it also vibrates here and rings here. So you see, I can pick it up. So you see, yep, it works great. So this, for example, what the call looks like. You can also like mute it, I guess. Change the volume of the call, and also hang up after you're done. Okay, so yeah, works absolutely great, and the same for regular calls as well. Then if you want to add contacts to this watch, so basically when you click this over here, and you see you have the contacts option here. Basically, the first time you actually launch this, there will be a button that you can use to sync the contacts. But we have to actually enable this syncing first on the Huawei Health app. So go over here in the devices. Okay, on the watch here. Scroll down here in the device settings and app management. And make sure this contact syncing is actually enabled. So yep. And once it's enabled, again, you simply go back to the place, basically the contacts, and then you can press the button here and it will sync the contacts, it will fetch from your phone. So I can't show you because I already have them there. And that's about it. Okay, like.